Hi everybody, this is Dr. Huynh with Elegant Smiles, and today we're going to be talking about the Waterpik. The Waterpik is one of my favorite tools for keeping your mouth clean, especially if you have bleeding gums. And so I'm going to show you how to use a Waterpik today without getting things wet, because I know that that's what I hear a lot of complaints about. But first I'm going to show you how the machine works. Alright, so this is the Waterpik Aquarius unit by Waterpik. And what I like about this version, this is the tabletop version, it has two on-off buttons, it has a knob from 1 to 10, and it has a large enough tank so that you can continue on without having to stop and pause and refill your water like some of the handheld units that I hear everybody buying. So this is a set of teeth, and I'm going to show you how a Waterpik should be used with this tip specifically, because this is my favorite tip. So what you're going to want to do is place the tip sideways, not down, but sideways between each teeth, and you're going to go for 3 seconds. So 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, a little bit slower than that though. And when you're done with that, you're going to trace the gums, and you're going to do the next one forward, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, and then trace the gums, and so on and so forth. When you're done with that, you can start on the inside and go from the inside, and then go 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, and then again just keep moving the tip throughout. Now, the number one complaint that I get about using a Waterpik, and a lot of my patients tell me that they have given up or thrown it away, is that their sink gets wet, the mirror gets wet, their shirt gets wet. And so I'm going to show you that I'm going to Waterpik here and spit water into this cup here, and there's no sink, there's only a paper towel. So I'm going to show everybody the tips and tricks that I have to using a Waterpik that will not get everything all wet. So I did want to mention that on the knob from 0 to 10, if you're getting a Waterpik from the store, you're going to want to keep it at an 8 or 9. If you get one from us, the motor is a little bit stronger, and you can go from 7 to 8, and that would be okay. Now remember, I said we need to do 3 seconds between each tooth, and again the power should be right around an 8. When your mouth gets full of water, well, the first thing you're going to want to do is put the tip in your mouth and close your lips. Just like that. Move the tip around with your lips closed. And when your mouth gets full, the second on and off button is already in your hand, and you can toggle it, pause the water, and spit. That's how you will not get anything wet. And then when you are done spitting, you just put it back into your mouth and resume by turning it back on. So I'm going to give a quick demo here. I'll probably not do my whole mouth, but just a few teeth so that you guys can get the idea, so you don't have to watch me doing 3 seconds between each teeth, because if you're doing it right, it should take a few minutes. So here we go. I'm going to turn it on here. And with it on, just notice that there is no water coming out of the tip at this moment. So I'm going to begin. And as you can see, my mouth got full, so I did just spit it into the cup, and I did pause it, and so you would just put it back into your mouth. And that's how you use a Waterpik without getting sink wet. Alright, so that concludes my demo about how a Waterpik is used. So I hope that you guys will be able to use it and not make a mess, and end up loving it just as much as I do. And a lot of my patients have such healthy gums after using it for 6 months and coming back to see me. And as you can see here, we have a clean sheet of paper here indicating that I was able to spit everything into the cup and not make a mess. So good luck Waterpiking, everybody. Thanks.